Today's house we love is in Piedmont, and it's one of the most impressive we've seen in this price range. It's on the market for €120,000. This home is on 3 levels, in move-in ready condition, and is already divided into 2 independent apartments, which is perfect for generating income as a rental or hosting guests. The main apartment is 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, and the smaller apartment is 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Of course, it can also be used as one large family house. This charming property has beautiful, unique vaulted stone ceilings and a focal fireplace which create a lovely, warm, elegant atmosphere. Imagine your friends and family walking into this room for the first time and then spending time there together. It's in the oldest and most panoramic part of the town, with views of the rooftops and surrounding hills. This is a wonderful opportunity to live in the Piedmontese countryside, while also being within day trip distance to Turin or Milan, and not far from Genoa, the Ligurian coast, the Italian lakes, France and Switzerland. The home is on the edge of the village, but still within walking distance to shops, restaurants, a doctor's clinic and the local castle. There are also several other restaurants a short drive away, and several hospitals within a 1-hour radius, closer to Asti and Alessandria. And both Turin and Milan Malpensa airports are only about 100 kilometers away. If you'd like more information or to move forward on this property, please contact the realtor directly. The realtor's original listing is in our new community, and there is a link in the video notes below. If you'd like to see more homes like this, I'll be sharing one every day in our new group on School, which is $5 a year to join. You can also receive weekly listings emails on Patreon and Substack for just $6 or $10 a month. You can also find links to those below. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back soon with more homes.